What's going on, guys? David with Raceland here. This video is for you Cobalt owners who are looking to upgrade the looks and performance of your vehicle. Now, we offer some suspension options for the Cobalt. Want to run you through some specifics on these coilover kits to help you decide what would be best for your vehicle. Now, our coilover kits are going to work on all 2005 to 2010 Chevy Cobalt models. This includes the SS and all other models. So if it's an 05 to 10, you're good to go. Now, we do offer two different coilover kits for this vehicle, our Classic kit and our Ultimo kit. They are going to have some slight differences to them, and depending on what you plan to use the vehicle for would determine or dictate which one you would go with for your vehicle. Now, our Classic kit is going to be used for those that are looking for a mild to moderate drop. This is going to lower 1 to 3 inches lower than factory height and has a very comfortable ride quality over the factory setup. Now, the Ultimo kit is going to be designed for those that are looking for a more aggressive drop, want a stiffer ride quality. This is going to lower 2 to 4 inches lower than factory height, and again will be a little bit stiffer than that of the Classic kit to the tune of about 15%. Now, the Classic kit's spring rates are going to be 225 pounds per inch progressive front and 120 pounds per inch progressive rear. Now, like mentioned, the Ultimos are going to be stiffer. The rates for that are going to be 260 pounds per inch progressive front and a 135 pounds per inch progressive rear. Now, both kits are going to be a partially threaded kit and are going to retain your factory upper strut mounts. Those are not going to be included with the kit, but no other parts are going to be needed besides those upper mounts. So if the ones on your vehicle are in good working condition, you can certainly reuse those. If they are worn or old, we do suggest replacing those to get the most out of your suspension. Now, with the Cobalt models, we are seeing that it oftentimes is not going to be necessary to need a wheel spacer in order for the factory wheel and tire setup to clear the coilover. But if you are running aftermarket wheels and tires, especially those that are larger than factory, that may be something that you need to keep in mind when you get the coilovers fitted to the vehicle. Now, we often get asked, how long can we expect an aftermarket coilover to last on my vehicle? With Raceland coilovers, we generally see about the lifespan of the OE or the factory suspension out of the coilovers. But the great thing about Raceland is that we do offer a lifetime warranty on all of our products. This includes wear items. So if for whatever reason you have an issue, and that includes if a shock wears out in your ownership, that is something that's covered under the warranty and we would replace for you. On top of that, we do offer a 30-day satisfaction guarantee as well. So if for whatever reason you're not satisfied with your coilover purchase, whether it be how it looks, fits, feels, whatever it may be, you can return them within 30 days for a full refund. So check the link below, guys. We do have a full installation video on how these install to give you an idea of what to expect when you do get your coilover kit. And as always, if you have any questions, send us an email, give us a call. We'd be happy to help.